this is my science fair project. We have already added the 5mm, 5.5mm, 10mm, and 15mm of water, along with the 5mm of vinegar. We're going to add a pinch of baking soda in each one and sit back and see what the reaction is. Starting with the 5mm. I don't think I added enough. I did add enough that first time. My bad. I'm gonna add a little bit more to get more of a reaction. And now we're going to do the 5.5mm. There's a little bit more of a reaction. The first one I did mess up a little. Now we're going to do, but that's all right. Now we're going to move on to the 10mm. As you can see, it starts to overflow now. And now we move on to the 15mm, the biggest one of them all. Last time we did this, it went overflowing. There it goes, and there it flows. For my questions during this project were, do the amounts affect the experimentation? What are their different reactions, and does change equal the conjugations of different reactions? Easy, yes, yes, and yes. And now for my hypothesis. As we added the baking soda, which created a sizzle, which made the chemical reaction. Now for my materials, we had 4 tubes, a measuring cup, baking soda, vinegar, and water. Time for my procedure. We fill 4 tubes up with water, vinegar, baking soda, and as the baking soda hits the liquid, the reaction begins. Now for my results. As a filling phase occurred, proving chemical reaction predicted worked as predicted. Now for my research, I used Google and bestbuddy.com. So now my sister will be explaining the middle part as I take a video of the board.
So my brother did the project on chemical analysis. This is the data. So he made a chart. We filled it. This is the water intake. W equals water and M equals millimeters. We had 5mm of water, 5.5mm, 10mm, and 15mm, which is in these tubes. As the chemical reactions, we did it going up, because the more you add, the more the reaction. Baking soda, we added 5mm of baking soda. For vinegar, we added 5mm of vinegar, 5.5mm, 10mm, and 0.5 millimeter of vinegar. And this is going up, so they're in order. Right here is the reaction time. So we have 2 seconds, 12 seconds, 20 seconds, and 17 seconds. Today we made a new video, so it will be shorter. But that concludes Augustine's project, and this is called the chemical analysis.